Recent Samsung smartwatches have a rather distinctive design, and it is mostly because of the flat screens they offer. If a recent rumor is accurate, then Samsung may be changing the look of its next Galaxy Watch. Now, according to Ice Universe, Samsung is actually going to use curved glass instead of flat display. Now, as a result, the Galaxy Watch 6 may even resemble the Galaxy Watch Active 2 from few years ago, which had actually a very stylish curved glass design, and the chassis was curved too. Now you might be thinking why that is the case. Well, maybe the Pixel Watch is the reason. The Pixel Watch might not be the best smartwatch, but it is actually the most gorgeous looking Android smartwatch, or even probably I would say it's even better looking than the Apple Watch series. Definitely Samsung is kind of copying that thing. Apple Watch Series 6, Series 7 and even the Series 8 all have slightly curved glass design that seamlessly blends with the case of the watch, just like Samsung did with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So why not again? The Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5 from Samsung have completely flat screen, so much so that they don't even have a hint of curve where the display is meeting the chassis. Not at all. Now, it is also important to remember that we are all talking about the standard smartwatches from Samsung. Now, one thing I'm gonna ask you, is the design is that important at this point? Or is it the performance and the battery life is important? Because if you don't know, the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5's batteries are not so good. Like, not that great. The Watch 5 Pro on the other hand has a very good respectable battery life. Now talking about the battery though, the battery of the 40mm variant of the Galaxy Watch 6 upcoming model has been discovered by Galaxy Club. It has a model number like this, and it is stated to have about 300 mAh battery capacity. Now, if you look at the Galaxy Watch 5's 40mm model, then it has 284 mAh battery. So it represents an increase in battery capacity, but it's just 5%. So improved battery life could still be possible if Samsung introduces a new processor, a new type of display, or better energy efficient display, just like they did with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Even having the same battery capacity, that phone lasts way longer compared to the S22 Ultra. Now most likely the Galaxy Watch 5 will come in also a Pro edition, and maybe there would be an Ultra variant. We don't know about that. The Pro variant will also come with a bigger battery life, provide a much longer battery life than even the very good Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. But that's not the only upgrade we are hoping. According to ET News, Samsung intends to begin utilizing the micro LED technology to create better panels for the smartwatches. Now, according to the article, Samsung will actually wrap up the technology's development cycle by the end of 2023. That simply means the Galaxy Watch 6 series might not even come with that. Now, why we should talk about the micro LED technology and why that is a big thing? Micro LEDs are brighter and have much superior contrast capabilities than even the OLED panels. And they are also believed to be really amazing in terms of color reproduction and to be much more easier to see under direct sunlight. And micro LED technology is also more resistant to extreme heat and cold, so it makes sense to use them in a smaller gadget. But then you're probably asking, what is the catch? Well, the catch is the micro LED technology is far more expensive and difficult to produce than even OLED panels. So this kind of technology in a smartwatch will make the smartwatch crazy expensive. Maybe an ultra flagship model will make sense, but not a normal standard Galaxy Watch 6 or something like that. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the micro LED technology and what you are expecting for the Galaxy Watch 6 series? Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Light Beam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.